Imagine a digital form of money existing purely online, independent of any bank or government. This revolutionary concept has taken the financial world by storm, offering a new way to think about and use money. That's cryptocurrency in a nutshell. These digital assets are created and managed through advanced encryption techniques known as cryptography. It's like virtual cash that you can use to buy things, send to people, or even invest in. Transactions are quick, often taking just minutes, and can be done from anywhere in the world. Unlike traditional money, cryptocurrencies use cryptography for security, making them incredibly difficult to counterfeit. This ensures that each transaction is secure and verifiable. Think of cryptography as a super secure way of coding and decoding information. It's like having a digital lock and key that only the intended recipient can open. This technology is at the heart of what makes cryptocurrencies work, ensuring that transactions are safe and secure. The blockchain, a public ledger, records every transaction, adding another layer of transparency. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they aren't controlled by a single entity. This decentralization is achieved through a network of computers, known as nodes, that work together to validate and record transactions. Instead, they operate on a vast distributed network of computers. This network ensures that no single point of failure can disrupt the entire system. This decentralized nature gives users more control over their money and eliminates the need for intermediaries like banks. It empowers individuals to manage their finances independently. In essence, cryptocurrency represents a fundamental shift in how we think about and interact with money. It opens up new possibilities for financial inclusion and innovation. It's a new financial frontier that's rapidly evolving and changing the world as we know it. As technology advances, the potential applications and benefits of cryptocurrencies continue to grow, making it an exciting space to watch. To truly grasp the concept of cryptocurrency, we need to understand blockchain, the revolutionary technology underpinning it. Imagine a digital ledger like a giant public book, recording every single cryptocurrency transaction ever made. This ledger is not stored in one place but is distributed across countless computers around the globe. Each time a transaction occurs, it's added as a block to this chain of records, hence the name blockchain. Once a block is added to the blockchain, it's virtually impossible to alter or tamper with. It's like trying to erase something written in permanent ink on a million different pieces of paper simultaneously. This immutability is what makes blockchain so secure and transparent. It ensures that all transactions are verifiable and trustworthy, forming the bedrock of trust for the entire cryptocurrency system. Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold, was the first cryptocurrency to gain widespread attention, emerging in 2009. Created by the pseudonymous Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin introduced the world to the revolutionary potential of blockchain technology. Think of Bitcoin as the first and most famous digital currency. It operates on its own blockchain, acting as a decentralized payment system free from government or institutional control. Bitcoin's value lies in its limited supply. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. This scarcity, combined with growing demand, has driven its price to fluctuate wildly over the years. While Bitcoin's future remains uncertain, its impact on the financial world is undeniable. It paved the way for thousands of other cryptocurrencies and sparked a global conversation about the future of money. Section 4: Ethereum and the world of altcoins. While Bitcoin grabbed the headlines, Ethereum, launched in 2015, expanded the possibilities of blockchain technology. Unlike Bitcoin, which primarily serves as a digital currency, Ethereum introduced the concept of a programmable blockchain. Created by Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum is more than just a digital currency. It's a platform for building decentralized applications, or dApps. These applications run on the Ethereum blockchain, making them secure and tamper-proof. Imagine Ethereum as a giant decentralized computer network. This network is maintained by thousands of computers around the world, ensuring that it remains robust and resilient against attacks. It allows developers to create and launch applications that run on blockchain technology, opening up a world of possibilities beyond just financial transactions. Developers can build anything from social networks to supply chain management tools. These dApps can range from decentralized finance or DeFi applications to digital art marketplaces, gaming platforms, and more. The versatility of Ethereum has made it a hub for innovation in the blockchain space. Ethereum's native cryptocurrency, Ether or ETH, fuels this ecosystem, powering transactions and smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. The success of Bitcoin and Ethereum led to an explosion of thousands of other cryptocurrencies, often referred to as altcoins. These altcoins aim to improve upon or offer alternatives to the functionalities provided by Bitcoin and Ethereum. Each altcoin typically has its own unique features and aims to address specific use cases within the crypto space. Some focus on privacy, others on speed, and some on providing specific services like decentralized storage or enhanced security. Section 5. Cryptocurrency in action, real-world uses. Cryptocurrencies are no longer just a theoretical concept, they are increasingly being used in the real world. From online purchases to international money transfers, cryptocurrencies are finding their place in everyday transactions. Imagine sending money to a friend or family member overseas in an instant, bypassing the high fees and delays of traditional banking systems. Cryptocurrencies make this possible, facilitating faster, cheaper, and more efficient cross-border payments. Many businesses now accept Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as payment, further integrating them into the mainstream economy. From coffee shops to online retailers, the list of merchants embracing crypto is constantly growing. Beyond payments, cryptocurrencies are also making their mark in areas like supply chain management, digital identity verification, and even voting systems, showcasing their versatility and potential to transform various industries. Section 6. Navigating the crypto landscape, risks and rewards. Investing in cryptocurrency can be an exciting opportunity, but it's crucial to approach it with caution and awareness of the risks involved. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, with prices often fluctuating dramatically. Before investing, it's essential to conduct thorough research, understand the technology, and be prepared for potential losses. Remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. While there are inherent risks, the potential rewards of cryptocurrency investment are undeniable. Early adopters who recognize the potential of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have seen life-changing returns on their investments. As with any investment, diversification is key. Spreading your investments across different cryptocurrencies and asset classes can help mitigate risk and potentially enhance returns. Section 7. Diving deeper into the digital future. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, with new technologies and innovations emerging all the time. From the advent of smart contracts to the rise of decentralized finance, the landscape is ever-changing. This rapid pace of change can feel overwhelming, especially for those new to the field. The sheer volume of information and the speed at which it evolves can be daunting, but it also presents incredible opportunities for learning and growth. By dedicating time to study and understand these technologies, you can stay ahead of the curve. Take the time to delve deeper into the world of cryptocurrency. Explore different blockchain projects, each offering unique solutions and innovations. Learn about the latest trends in DeFi, which is revolutionizing traditional financial systems by removing intermediaries and offering more control to users. Engage with the vibrant online crypto community. Participate in forums, join discussions, and share your insights. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. By staying informed, asking questions, and continuously learning and approaching this new frontier with a balance of caution and curiosity, you can make informed decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. You can navigate the exciting world of crypto with confidence and potentially reap the rewards it has to offer. The potential for financial success is significant, but it requires diligence and a willingness to learn. This beginner's guide has provided a foundational understanding of cryptocurrency, giving you the tools to start your journey. But it's only the tip of the iceberg. Continue your exploration, dive deeper into advanced topics, and keep pushing the boundaries of your knowledge. And who knows what exciting possibilities the future of finance holds. The journey is just beginning, and the digital future is yours to shape.